Okay, it's Monday morning, June 5th. I come out here to the back side of the property. Had a bunch of trees blow down. Start cutting these up for firewood, mostly hickory. This is going to take a few days. Work a couple hours a day at it. Turn this into some heat. Yeah, it goes back quite a ways. And these are still sprouting, so they're not dead yet. It's all the way back up and through here. It's that windstorm we had a few months ago. Always something to do here. Just another day in paradise out here in the boonies. Hope everybody's having a good one.